How to edit an order in an online store on Wix Studio. So we just need to head over right here into your dashboard of our Wix Studio, and then from in there, go over right here to the sales. You can see here the orders option, so just head over and then click on that. And then you should be able to see here all of the orders that has been placed into your store. With having here this particular order, and in order to edit it, you can click onto this, and then it should be able to open that. You can see in here more details of it. You can create and view receipts as well. So if you want to edit it, just head over and click onto the three dots and you can print the packing slip, and we have in here some payment information. You can click onto this more actions and click onto this edit order option, and it should be able to open right here the order editor. So you can just change the quantity, the product, you can add more product, you can change the customer info, add delivery method, fees, discounts, reason for editing, and after you're done, click onto this update order. So that's how you edit an order in an online store on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.